Hey Saint, as you know, I travel a lot and travel can be stressful. In this video, I share my top 8 tips for reducing travel stress. Tip number 1, TSA PreCheck. If you travel at all, it is worth it. It's only $85 for 5 years. With it, you get to streamline going through security. No taking off your shoes, no taking out liquids, none of that. So TSA PreCheck, tip number 1. Tip number 2, Clear. Clear is a new service offered at many major airports. Once you sign up, it is so easy. You just simply scan your thumbprints and get escorted right through the line. The last time I was at LaGuardia, there were 25 people in the TSA PreCheck line, but only 3 in the line for Clear. It's a bit expensive at $15 a month, but for frequent travelers, highly recommend it. Tip number 3, short-term pessimism. It's likely that in any trip there's going to be a hiccup or two. So why not just expect them? For instance, your flight might be delayed. Short-term pessimism. Tip number 4, long-term optimism. You're gonna make it. This combination of short-term pessimism and long-term optimism I first heard about in Viktor Frankl's A Man's Search for Meaning. If it can help him survive a concentration camp, it can help you on your next trip. Tip number 5, pay for airport lounges like the Delta Sky Lounge. They can be a quiet oasis in the midst of chaos. Sure, they can be expensive, but they can be well worth it. Also, many credit cards, in particular American Express, offer discounts for these. Number 6, don't check baggage. Period. A long time ago, I used to check baggage, and a coworker of mine said, "Look, I'm a girl. If I don't check baggage, you cannot check baggage." And ever since, challenge accepted, I haven't checked baggage. My go-to bag is the SkyTrain by Redox. Check it out. Tip number 7, drink the drink of champions, water. When the flight attendant comes by, just say water, no ice. She'll think you're a pro. Tip number 8, wear C-bands. They work great for reducing nausea and just seemingly stress in general. My daughter, when she was on an international mission trip, used these and they work great for her. I've used them ever since. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And for another stress-reducing strategy, check the description and download my exact evening routine. That's a wrap, and I'll see you next time.